Hi there, I'm Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
Hi everyone, and welcome to my latest travel video. I'm excited to show you some of the most beautiful beaches in Spain. From the crystal clear waters of the Mediterranean to the rugged coastlines of the Atlantic, Spain has some of the most stunning beaches in Europe. So let's dive in and explore them together. First up, we have Playa de la Conca in San Sebastian. This is a beautiful beach with crystal clear water and soft golden sand. It's located right in the heart of the city, so you can easily combine your beach day with exploring the town's charming streets and trying some delicious bin sauce. There are also plenty of water activities to try, from surfing to kayaking. Next on our list is Playa Bologna in Tarifa. This is a pristine beach with crystal clear water, located in a natural park near the small village of Bologna. This beach is perfect for those who want to escape the crowds and immerse themselves in nature. You can hike up the nearby hill and enjoy the breathtaking view, or simply relax on the sand and soak up the sun. Moving on to the Balearic Islands, we have Cala Lombirds in Mallorca. This is a small and charming beach surrounded by cliffs and crystal clear water. There are plenty of small restaurants nearby where you can try the local cuisine, and you can also rent a kayak or paddleboard to explore the nearby caves and coves. And write a comment below to let me know what you thought. And if you haven't already, please consider subscribing to my channel for more travel content like this.
Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one. Bye!